Welcome back to another Mobile Centrics Tips and Tricks. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be showing you a new product, or a new attachment I should say, to the iCopy Plus 2.2. Let's get into the video. Now, the iCopy Plus 2.2 is a phenomenal tool, allowing you to do True Tone transfer, EEPROM, battery data correction, Face ID repairs, along with others like testing lightning cables and things like that. But one of the complaints I've seen over the last year is, why doesn't it have a connector for the iPhone SEs, the 2nd and 3rd gen, and the 14 series? Well, that's where this comes into play. Having this new attachment allows for the data to be read and corrected for all of the batteries now using Quanli's iCopy Plus 2.2 with this new attachment. I'll have a link for it in the description. Now, if you aren't familiar with the iCopy Plus 2.2, here's a small clip of what it's all about.
Now we will trust the computer. There we go. Now it's prepped for it. Hit read. Detect the chip. Now we go to cloud backup and it says successful. We click activation. Activation successful. Disconnect. There we go. All right, we'll hit cloud burning. We'll select the most recent file and it'll go through its process and it's successful. Face ID, no more message. Let's see what happens. There we go.
So apart from the no solder required Face ID repairs, the iCopy Plus 2.2 can do the screen data transferring, Taptic engine data transfer. It can support your baseband EEPROM repairs, read and write of the PC, and True Tone with or without the original display. And also the batteries, being able to copy over and transfer over the batteries now on the SE2 and 3 and the 14 series.
Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if there's anything that you'd like to see in an upcoming video. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.